Hi everybody. Hey, I wanted to give a product review on this frying pan I bought on Amazon. Um, I bought it a few weeks ago, and I've never had this brand before, and so I wanted to use it before I gave a product review on it. Here's the name of it if you can see it. It's I think they pronounce it Parcuscus or something like that. I've never heard of them before, so that's why I didn't give a review right away. I wanted to use it. And you know what? I am so glad that I got this pan. I don't need the whole set. I just needed this one small one. I think it's an 8-inch. And I got this and I love it. The main thing, the reason why I got this is because I have another pan that I've had for years. In fact, I'm going to do another review on that one just to show you how old it is and how long it lasted, so it's a good buy. But this one, I had to upgrade, had to get a new one, and I'm glad. This has made my cooking so much easier. And the main thing is I needed a small one that was non-stick and non-toxic, and it's perfect for eggs and small portions because it's just my husband and I. The pan works awesome. The heating is unbelievably even, and I think it has something to do with the way that this is made here. You know, I'm not an expert on all this stuff, so I'm just the consumer that is using the product. I don't know all the science to the whole thing, but the main reason I got it is because I wanted to make sure it wasn't toxic, as they say about some other products. And super easy to clean. You don't need to put it in the dishwasher. You just take soapy water and just wipe it down. You might need to use a little scrubby on this once in a while, but this is an awesome pan. I wanted to recommend it to you because it's just absolutely amazing. And it works on both gas stoves and the glass flat top. Well, I have both. My girlfriend has a flat top, and I used it on her stove, and it works great. And so, but it works awesome on gas, and the heating is real even, easy, non-stick. Eggs just slide out of this. In fact, I think what I'm going to do is show you how good it does. I'm gonna heat up an egg and show you how much non-stick it is. So I'll be right back. Okay, here you go. Now see, I broke the I broke the yolk, but let's see how this goes in here. It doesn't stick. Oops. I thought I was going to be fancy and flip it all the way over, but anyway, I just wanted to show you how it doesn't stick. I've had more problems with it sticking to my spatula than I did this pan. So anyways, I just wanted to share it with you. Awesome buy. I'm so happy with this. And I make all kinds of gooey, sticky stuff. Awesome pan to use. If you've got a cook in your house that would love to have a nonstick pan like this, it makes a great gift. And it's not expensive. I think it was less than $20, but I can't remember offhand, but I'll put the link in my description. So anyways, I hope this was helpful for you, and